Okay, today we will discuss question number 1 to 5, mains questions related to quant. Study the following table chart carefully, then answer the questions given beside. The table chart shows the parking fees charges per vehicle by 6 different vehicles, 6 different malls from Monday to Saturday. The figures in brackets shows the capacity of each vehicle in parking in each mall. Total cost is the total amount earned by that mall through parking from Monday to Saturday. On each day, every parking space in every mall is occupied. Now we are having the days from Monday to Saturday, and the table here, different malls: City Walk, Square, Crossroad, Spencer, GIP and TDI. These are the malls. This is the parking cost per vehicle. On Monday, if you park in City Walk, it is 8 rupees. Tuesday 17 rupees. Wednesday 12 rupees. Saturday it is not given. See, there are some blank values. We have to find out those blank values. Now, here 110 is nothing but the number of vehicles. On each day, every parking space in every mall is occupied. Figures in the bracket shows the capacity of the vehicle in each parking mall. That means City Walk has the capacity to park 110 vehicles. In Square Mall, we can park only 90 vehicles. Crossroad, we can park 70 vehicles. These are the number of vehicles. This is the amount charged per one vehicle, and this is the total cost that we receive from the parking amount. Now, based on this, we should answer. Before answering the questions, we can find some of the blank values. We have to find all these blank values. Now, let us see one by one. First, this is Monday. City Walk Mall from Monday to Saturday. Total cost 8,520. This value is missing. Now, how to find out this value? See, for Monday, this is 8,580 minus. We are parking total how many vehicles? 110 vehicles. I am doing for City Walk Mall. 8 plus 17 plus 12 plus 18 plus 9. So, that will give 8 plus 17, 25, 37, 55, 64. That is 110 into 64. 11 4s 44. It is 7,040. See, from 8,580, if you subtract 7,040, you will get 1540. That 1540 amount we are getting by parking 110 vehicles on Saturday. So, each vehicle parking cost is 14 rupees on Saturday. We got this value 14 rupees. Now, let us take for the next one, that is Square Mall. That is the Square Mall. In Square Mall, see 10, 14, 8, 25, 32. Similarly, same method, 9,450 minus 9,450 minus. How many vehicles are there? Totally 90. Total parking slot available for 90. So, 10 plus 14 plus, that blank value is missing, 8, 25, 32. Now, if you do the total 10 plus 14, 24, 32, 32 plus 25, 57, and it is totally, we will get 89. It is 90 into 89. 90 into 89, we will get 8,010. So, 9,450 minus 8,010. How much you are going to get? 1440. This 1440 amount we are getting on which day? Wednesday, for parking 90 vehicles. So, each vehicle is 16. Each vehicle parking cost is 16 rupees. This is 16. This blank value. Similarly, let us take now Crossroad vehicle. Let us take now Crossroad vehicle. In Crossroad, the same method we are going to use. 6,300 minus 70 into 6 plus 12 plus 25 plus 22 plus 14. Now 6 plus 12, 18. Now if you do this total, see 18, 33, then 55, 79. 70 into 79. What is 70 into 79? 79, 63, 54, 5430. Sorry, not 5530. It is 5530. So 6300 minus 5530. So that will give 0, 7, 12 minus 5 again 7. 770 rupees we are getting by parking 70 vehicles. So each vehicle cost is 11. Each vehicle cost 11 rupees. This is 14, 16, 11. Now let us take Spencer. For Spencer, we have to calculate the total. We have to calculate the total. Why? Because total value is missing. That is nothing but 50 into 16 plus 10 plus 14 plus 22 plus 18 plus 12. So if you do this total, 16 plus 14, 30, 40, 62, 80, 92. It is 50 into 92. That will give 0, 10, 46, 4600. So this total value 4600. Now let us take GIP. Now we are calculating GIP mall. That is C. Similarly, 11,000 minus we are having total parking slot available for 100 vehicles. 16 plus 14 plus 18 plus 30 plus 24. 30, 48, 78 and it is 102. So 100 into 102. 100 into 102, 10,200. So 11,000 minus 10,200, that will give 800. That will give 800. This 800 is the amount collected for 100 vehicles. So each vehicle parking cost is 8 rupees. This is 8 rupees. Now let us see the next one. That is TDI. Now I am doing TDI mall. Same 7,600 minus 80 into 14 plus 16 plus 25 plus 12 plus 20. So if you do this total, 30, then 45, 65, 77, 87. So 80 into 87. This is 80 into 87. 0, 56 and 64, 69. 6,960. 7, 8, 56, 6,960. Correct. 7,600 minus 6,960. 0, 4, 6. It is 640 for 80. So it will be 8 rupees. This is the total values. Missing values also we calculated. Now based on this, we should answer the given questions. Now based on this table, we need to answer these questions. Now, let us see the first question. Let us see the first question. If the parking fare charged on Sunday is 20% more than that of Saturday, what is the total amount collected from all malls on Sunday? Now, the parking fare on Sunday is 20% more than on Saturday. Now, Saturday we are having the values. Saturday we are having, see, this is 14, this is 32, this is 14, 12, 24, 20. Now this should be increased by 20%. 10% means it will be 1.4, 20% means 14 plus 2.8, that will be 16.8. Similarly, this is 32, that will be increased to 6.4, it will be 38.4. Similarly, this is again 14, 20% increase means 16.8. This is 12, that will be increased to 2.4. So it will become 14.4. 14.4. Next day it is 24, then 4.8, it is 28.8. Then next day it is 20, then in this 4, that will be 24. So these are the increased values if you increase by 20%. Now each day, this is, see, this is Saturday, this is city walk. On Saturday this is city walk, this is Square Mall, this is Crossroad, then this one is Spencer, then this one is GIP, and next one TDI. So on city walk we are having 110 vehicles. We are having 110 vehicles. So 110 into 16.8, 11 8s 88, 84. It is how much? 1848. 1848. Now 38.4 into 90. 38.4 into 90. So 384 into 9. 9 fours, see, 9 fours 36, 75, 9 threes 27, 34. So you are going to get 3456. This one we are having 70 vehicles. So into 70. So 168 into 7. 7 8 is 56, 7 6 42, 47. It is 1176. 1176. This is into 50. 144 into 50. So 5 4s 27, 20. This is 720. This is 100. So 28.8 into 100, that is 2880. This one 80, that will give 1920. So total 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 6 20, 2 plus 2 4, 12, 14, 21, 26 and 30. 3 plus 9 12, 20, 27, 28, 32, 40. 4 plus 1 5, 7, 8, 11, 12. So you are going to get totally 12,000 rupees on Sunday. See what we are doing, we are increasing the each price by 20% when compared to Saturday. So 14, 20% increase means 16.8. Here Square Mall 32, 20% increase 38.4. This is how many vehicles? Into 110, into 90. Like that if you do, we will get 12,000. Let us see the next one. What is the total amount collected from Crossroad and TDI parking on Monday and Friday? On Monday and Friday. Now, what is the total amount collected from the Crossroad and TDI parking on Monday and Friday respectively? That means you have to take Crossroad Monday, TDI Friday. Let us take Crossroad Monday. Crossroad Monday. Here you need not do any calculation. Monday we are getting each vehicle parking cost 11. Crossroad we are having 70. So directly we can calculate 70 into 11, 770. Now TDI parking, this is on Friday. Respectively means Crossroad on Monday, TDI Friday. Now I am taking Friday, that is TDI. TDI Friday we are having, see, 12. TDI Friday, sorry, not 12, 8. TDI Friday we are having 8. We are having 80 vehicles. So 80 into 8, that is 640. 640. Now what is the total? 0, 11, then it is 14. 1410 rupees. 1410 means option 3 is the correct answer. Next question. What is the difference between the amount collected from the parking of Spencer and GIP on Thursday? Thursday Spencer value. Thursday Spencer value. See, Thursday Spencer 22 rupees. We are having 50 vehicles. So 50 into 22. Then this is 1100. Then Spencer and GIP on Thursday. Now GIP on Thursday. What is GIP on Thursday? GIP Thursday we are having 8. GIP Thursday we are having 18 and 100 vehicles are there. So 100 into 18, that is 1800. That is 1800. So totally we will get 2900. This is the amount collected from parking of Spencer and GIP on Thursday. This is one value. Then amount collected from parking of Square Mall on Tuesday to Thursday. We have to take Tuesday to Thursday Square Mall. Square Mall is having 90 vehicles. Now Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tuesday we are having 14 rupees and Wednesday parking cost 16, Thursday 8. 14 plus 16 plus 8, 38. 90 into 38. So that will give 8, 9, 72, 34, 3420. 3420. You have to find the difference. 3420 minus 2900. 0, 2, 5. So 520 is the correct answer. Option 3. Next one. The charge per vehicle from parking of City Walk on Saturday. City Walk on Saturday. See, City Walk on Saturday. This is City Walk Saturday. 14. It is what percent of charge per vehicle TDA Friday? TDI Friday is 8. 14 by 8. So 2 sevens, 2 fours into 100. 4 ones, 425. The answer is 175%. Option A. Next question. Across the parkings, what is the average amount collected per vehicle on Saturday? Across the parkings, what is the average amount collected on Saturday? We have to take only Saturday. So how to take? See, first City Walk, 110 into 14. 110 into 14, that is 1540. Then Square Mall, 90 into 32. 90 into 32, that will give 2880. Then next mall, 70 into 14. 70 into 14, 980. Then next one, 50 into 12, that is 600. Next one, 100 into 24, that is 2400. This is of GIP. Last one, TDI, 80 into 20, that is 1600. Now if you take the total, how much we are going to get? See, 24 plus 60, 4000. Then see, 0, 8 plus 8, 16, 20. 2 plus 6, 8, 12, 18, 27, 35, 40, 5, 7, 9, 10. It is 10,000 totally. By how many vehicles are there? By how many vehicles? Let us take the number of vehicles. 110 plus 90, 200. 200 plus 70, 270. 320, 420. Then plus 420 plus 80, 500. So you will get 10,000 by 500, that is 20. Answer is 20 rupees. Let us see the next question. A and B are the two candidates in an election, and a voter can vote either for A or B. Candidate A will get 66.67 of the votes got by candidate B. If only 90% of the eligible voters cast their vote and B gets 64,800 more than A, how many eligible voters are there? Let us take total voters as 100. Out of 100, 90% of the eligible voters cast their vote. That means how many are casting their vote? Only 90. In this there will be winner and loser. There are two candidates, A and B. A is getting 66.67. So whenever it is 66.67, that is nothing but 2 by 3. A is getting 66.67 of the votes got by B. That means A will be getting 2 parts, B will be getting 3 parts. That is the meaning. 33.33 means 1 by 3, 66.67 means 2 by 3. Now, and B is getting 64,800 more than A. So, the difference of 3 and 2 is 1 part. Difference of 3 and 2 is 1 part. Or else, if you take the difference 2 and 3 difference 1. So, 1 by 5 of 90. 1 by 5 of 90 is nothing but 18 parts. So, 18 parts is given 64,800. 2 and 3 difference 1. 1 by 5, 2 plus 3, 5 of 90, total voters 90. That is 18 parts, is 64,800. How many eligible voters are there? So, how many eligible voters are there? 100. We have to calculate 100. 100 is equal to how much? 100 parts is how much? More by less. 100 by 18 into 64,800. If you do the division, 18 3s 54, 18 6, that will give 360000, 3,60,000. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Pipe A and pipe B can fill the tank in 16 hours and 32 hours respectively, while C alone can empty it in 20 hours. When the tank is empty, pipe A and pipe B are open. 2x hours later, A is closed and C is open. X hours later, B is closed and A is open. And 6x plus 2 hours later, tank is full. What is the total time taken? Now, let us see here. A, B, C. A is taking 16 hours, B is taking 32 hours, C is taking 20, but C is emptying, that is why I am keeping minus. Let us take LCM. The LCM of 16, 32 and 20, if you see, it is 160. So, this is the total capacity. LCM is nothing but total capacity. Now, let us take efficiency. If you take efficiency, 160 by 16, 10, 160 by 32, 5, 160 by 20, it is 8. That means, A will fill 10 units in 1 hour, B will fill 5 units in 1 hour, C will empty, C is not filling, emptying 8 units in 1 hour, or you can take minus 8 because it is empty. Now, if you read the question, when the tank is empty, first A and B are open. If A and B are open, what is the total efficiency? 15. They are working for 2x hours. They are working for how many hours? 2x hours. After that, A is closed. A is closed means now B is open, also C. Now B plus C are working. A is closed means B and C. A is closed and C is open. That means B and C. If B and C are working, B will fill 5 units, C will empty 8 units. So, definitely emptying is more, 3, minus 3. Minus 8 plus 5, minus 3. And they are working for X hours. They are working for X hours. After that, B is closed. Now, B is closed. Now, again A is open. Now, A and C are working. If A and C are working, A will fill 10 units, whereas C will empty 8 units. So, total efficiency 2 units, and the tank is filled in later 6x plus 2. In that way, the tank is filled. Total tank capacity 160. Now, let us do the simplification. 15 into 2x, that is 30x, minus 3x, then plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 160. 30 plus 12 is 42, 42 minus 3, 39x. If you send this 4 to other side, it will become minus. So, x is equal to 4. We got x value 4. What is the total time taken to fill the tank? Total time taken means, so in the first case, how many hours? 2x hours. Next case, x hours. Next case, 6x plus 2 hours. So, if you do the total, 2x plus x, 3x, 9x plus 2. Totally 9x plus 2. X value 4. So, it is 36 plus 2, that is 38. Total tank is filled in 38 hours. The answer is 38. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, 8th question, and this is the last one. What value should come in the place of the question mark if x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5? Just substitute the values of x and y. See, 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is nothing but 81 minus 25 divided by 7 into 9xy. 8 into 5, 40. 40 into 9, that is 360 divided by 10y square. 10 into 25, that is 250. Then 6xy. 6 into 8 into 5, that is how much? 8 into 240. 240. 250 minus 240 is 10. Now you have to simplify this one. Now 81 minus 25, that is 56 by 7, that is 8 into 36. 8 into 36, we are going to get how much? 288. 288 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So, tomorrow we will discuss the next English related mains question in the tomorrow's class.